The world as we know it is changing, and it's happening fast, all because of AI. Every day, new tools, smarter models, and mind-blowing innovations are emerging, and people are using them to make thousands of dollars without breaking a sweat. They're not just making money, they're setting themselves up for massive success. And here's the crazy part. Most people don't even realize it's happening. I know this for a fact because I make thousands every month with AI, and I don't want you to be left behind. That's why today I'm revealing 5 biggest opportunities that you can capitalize on today to make money with AI in 2025. From automated businesses that run on autopilot to faceless podcasts that generate passive income. These strategies work, even if you're just getting started. These aren't just ideas, they're proven methods that work. In case you're wondering, who is this beautiful AI avatar? I'm Zinny, and welcome to the Zinny Studio, the place to learn about making money with faceless YouTube channels and AI businesses. So let's dive right in. The first opportunity to make serious money with AI in 2025 is something that's taking the digital world by storm. AI agents. Imagine having a personal assistant who never sleeps, working for you 24/7, handling tasks on autopilot. From researching the latest trends to writing blog posts, managing social media, customer service, and even running entire businesses, AI agents do it all autonomously. But here's the game changer. They don't just follow instructions, they learn, adapt, and get smarter with every task, making them more efficient over time. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds complicated, but it's easier than you think. There are powerful tools like AutoGPT and God Mode AI at the forefront of this revolution. They allow you to create and customize AI agents effortlessly. And if you're looking for flexibility, check out ChatLLM Teams by Abacus AI for collaborative AI workflows, or use automation tools like N8N and Make to build advanced AI systems tailored to your needs. All right, let's talk about the fun part. How do you make money with AI agents? Here are 2 powerful ways. 1, freelancing. Offer automation services to small business owners and content creators. They're always looking to save time and money by automating repetitive tasks. Imagine automating social media posts for a brand. Your AI agent finds trending hashtags, writes captions, schedules posts, and even responds to comments. Businesses get better engagement and you get paid every month. 2 digital products. Create and sell automated tools like lead generation bots or chatbots for customer support. Package them as templates or subscriptions, and you've got yourself a steady stream of passive income. Picture this: you create a chatbot that handles customer inquiries for online stores. It automatically answers FAQs, tracks orders, and resolves issues. You sell this chatbot as a monthly subscription, and just like that, you've built a recurring income stream. There are tons of in-depth tutorials on YouTube about setting up AI agents, but if you want me to create a step-by-step guide on automating workflows for running a faceless YouTube channel, let me know in the comments. But what if you could take it a step further and create content that works for you even when you're not around? Let's talk about the next big opportunity: AI podcasts. Podcasts are exploding in popularity, but here's the best part. You don't need a fancy studio or even a microphone to get started. With AI, you can create a full podcast episode from scratch, even without recording a single word. And the secret: AI voice generators. They sound so realistic that most listeners can't even tell the difference. Check this out.
Ever wondered if you could be a YouTube star?
Without ever showing your face.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Turns out you totally can.
It's wild, right?
It really is. So we're doing a deep dive today into faceless YouTube.
Channels that get tons of views and subscribers, but you
never see the person behind them.
Yeah, and it really goes against that old idea that it has
to be super charismatic on camera to make it on YouTube.
Right? It's all about the content itself.
Before we dive in, I am Mark, part of the Zinny Studio team.
And I am Zara. Welcome to the first AI podcast by Zinny Studio.
This is an AI podcast I created 3 months ago to test this opportunity, and it works all done faceless. Here's how it works. Create your script with ChatGPT or repurpose existing content. Then visit 11 Labs, use their podcast feature, input the text or URL, select your voice, and generate your podcast. If you want to take it up a notch, you can even create talking avatars. I've got an in-depth tutorial on that, so check it out when you're ready. All right, so how do you make money with AI podcasts? If you're using YouTube as your platform, you can earn through ads once you're monetized. For example, from just one 12-minute podcast, I made this amount. And if you focus on creating longer podcasts, the earning potential is even bigger. But that's just one way. Here are 3 more ways to maximize your income. First, sponsorships. Partner with brands that align with your niche. Even with a small but engaged audience, you can earn good money through sponsorship deals. Second, affiliate marketing. Promote products during your episodes and include links in your show notes. Every purchase made through your link earns you a commission. Third, exclusive content. Offer ad-free episodes or behind-the-scenes content through platforms like Patreon or Supercast. Fans love exclusive access and are willing to pay for it. And here's a secret tip. Repurpose your podcast content. Turn episodes into blog posts, social media snippets, or even YouTube videos. This maximizes your reach and multiplies your income streams. And the best part, you can do all of this without ever showing your face, staying completely anonymous while building a powerful personal brand. And if you're ready to start your faceless podcast on YouTube or any type of faceless channel, I've got you covered. Grab the free checklist and graphics library I've linked in the description and pinned comment. Everything you need to get started is just one click away. All right, we've automated tasks with AI agents and created content with AI podcasts. But here's an opportunity that's perfect for making passive income, selling digital products. The best part, you don't need inventory, shipping, or even a physical store. You create it once and it keeps selling. Think digital planners, ebooks, printables, or even online courses. But here's the big question. How do you know what products will sell? If you already have a following, the easiest way is to ask your audience, find out what they need from you to solve a specific problem. This way, you're creating products you already know they want. But if you're just starting out and don't have an audience yet, you can't go wrong with Everbee. Everbee is a powerful product research tool that shows you exactly what's trending on Etsy. It reveals the best-selling digital products, estimated sales, and even how much they're earning each month. I love doing research on Etsy because the sales data is public. You can see exactly what's selling and what isn't. No guessing games. Imagine finding out that digital planners are making thousands of dollars per month and then creating your own version with AI tools like Canva AI or ChatGPT. You're not just creating products, you're creating solutions people are already buying. Here's how to get started. Research with Everbee. Search for digital products on Etsy and use Everbee to analyze the top sellers. Look for high demand niches like productivity planners, wedding printables, or educational resources. Create with AI. Use Canva AI for stunning designs or ChatGPT for written content. It's fast, easy, and no design skills required. Choose your selling platform. And this brings us to the big question, where should you sell? You have 2 main options, marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon, which come with built-in customers, but also high fees and intense competition. Your own website, which gives you full control, fewer fees, and the power to build a strong brand image. But you'll need to drive traffic through marketing. The best option depends on your product and whether you already have an audience audience or not. If you're just getting started, marketplaces are great. But if you're building a following or want to grow a brand, you can never go wrong with having your website. And that brings me to the next step. Grabbing a domain name. Finding a good .com domain these days is tough. But here's a secret. There's a new trend in the online world: .store domains, who are kindly sponsoring this portion of the video. Here's why .store domains are a game changer. A detailed study shows that websites on a .store domain get 87% more traffic and 2x higher ranking on Google. Why? Because when customers see .store, they instinctively know it's an online shop, making it easier to sell more. And it's not just a trend. Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, Emirates Airlines, and over 1.5 million sellers trust .store domains for their online stores. It instantly tells your customers that you're an online store, helping you stand out and sell more. If you want to secure your own .store domain, head over to get.store. Here's how to do it. Step 1, find your domain name, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Step 2, here's the exciting part. Normally, the domain is $29 annually, but with my exclusive discount code Zinny, you'll get the first year for $6.99 with optional privacy protection and just 99 cents without it. That's an unbeatable deal. But wait, there's more. When you get a .store domain, you also unlock free access to Elevate.store. Elevate.store is a powerful toolkit designed specifically for online sellers. It's packed with marketing tools and exclusive deals from top platforms like Canva, Shopify, AutoDS, and more. It's everything you need to launch and scale your business, and it's yours for free when you choose store. Here's a pro tip. Combine your .store domain with insights from Everbee to launch products that are proven to sell. You're not just creating digital products, you're building a brand that keeps making money on autopilot. That's the power of selling digital products with AI. You create it once and it keeps selling, bringing you passive income month after month. All the links you need is in the description as well as the pinned comment. Ever heard of dot activity books? They're the latest trend in medium content books where readers connect the dots to reveal hidden images, and they're selling like crazy on Amazon. Check this out. This particular book makes this estimated revenue per month, and it's just one of many that are flying off the shelves. The best part, you don't need to be an artist or a designer to create these. With Canva AI, you can effortlessly generate unique designs, format them, and get them ready to sell in no time. Here's how you can make money with activity books. Sell on Amazon. KDP, publish themed books like animals, holidays, or educational puzzles. I personally sell books on Amazon KDP, not books, but coloring books, and I'm still making passive income from them without active advertising. If you're curious about how to get started, check out my tutorial where I created and sold a book in just 15 days and shared exactly how much I made. All right, we've covered some powerful opportunities so far, but here's one that's often overlooked and insanely profitable: AI transcription. Imagine turning spoken words into written content automatically, whether it's YouTube videos, podcasts, interviews, or online courses. People are constantly looking for accurate transcriptions and they're willing to pay for it. But here's the real game changer: language transcription. Converting audio or video from one language to another is in high demand right now. With AI, you can do this effortlessly, expanding your audience and maximizing your income streams. And the best part, you don't need to do any typing. Simply upload an audio or video file and the AI listens, transcribes, and even translates the text for you. It's that simple. Here are the best AI transcription tools to get you started. Descript not only transcribes but also lets you edit audio like a text document. Perfect for podcasters and YouTubers. 11 Labs, this one's next level. It not only transcribes but also translates and generates lifelike voiceovers in multiple languages. Imagine creating a podcast in English and then using 11 Labs to translate and voice it in Spanish. You're reaching a whole new audience without speaking a word of Spanish. So, how do you make money with AI transcription? Freelancing offer transcription and translation to content creators and business owners. And there you have it. 5 opportunities you can take advantage of to make money with AI in 2025, from building AI agents that work for you 24/7 to creating faceless podcasts that generate passive income, selling digital products, designing books with Canva AI, and leveraging AI transcription. These aren't just ideas, they're proven methods that work, even if you're just getting started. If you're ready to take the next step and start with one of the best opportunities, faceless YouTube channels, I've got you covered. Click on this video to learn exactly how to get started, and I'll see you there.